Hello, my dear teachers. I will be sharing with you today top 5 Google Chrome extensions, particularly for Google Meet. So this is only going to work with a Chrome browser. So as you can see in our screen, we are already in Google Meet. But if you are generating a Meet link, this is also going to work. So as you can see here in the topmost part of my Chrome browser, these are the different Chrome extensions that are installed. Now, please do remember that the greater the number of Chrome extensions that are installed, this is going to affect the performance of the Chrome browser. So please make sure before you are going to decide to install lots of Chrome extensions, please make sure that your laptop can handle that. Because the Chrome browser can really maximize the usage of the RAM. So the greater the number of Chrome extensions, it will make the speed of the Chrome browser slower when it comes to its reaction. Okay, so let's start with the first Chrome extension, attendance checker. So how do you install Chrome extensions? If you're going to be here under apps, web store. So you are just going to input the name of the Chrome extension. For example, I will be typing in Google Meet extension. Okay. So these are all the extensions that are associated with Google Meet. So for example, if I'm going to install this, you are just going to add to Chrome. Now, once that you have added it to Chrome, after some time, it's going to appear here. And just like what I've mentioned during my past tutorial, so that you can really see all of your important Chrome extension, you can pin it. So if you are going to pin it, it means it's going to appear here. If you're going to unpin it, it's going to disappear on this tab, but it's not going to be removed. It's still there, but you need to just find it under this icon. Okay. So the first one, if we're going to go to Meet, let us just have the sample here. Let us generate an instant meeting. Okay. So that we can demonstrate this. So the first one is what we call as an attendance checker. This is the attendance checker here. It's called as Meet Attendance Collector. Now, how do you use that? Now, if you're going to toggle here, okay, you can see the check here. It means it's already installed. So how do you check the attendance of your student? Just click the check. Okay. Oh, this is the list of our faculty meeting a while ago. So it's going to instantly create an Excel file on your Google Drive. So whatever is logged in the account, nandun yung Google Drive. As you can see, there is the date here and the time. And also the time that that person was able to leave the meeting. So where are you going to find the files? It is automatically saved in your Google Drive. Okay? So this is the first one. Meet attendance collector. The check. Just click the check. It's going to automatically direct you. If you want to save it, you can save it as separate file. You can download it, whatever that's going to, you're going to use the attendance. The second one is here, the Google Meet Enhancement Suite. What is the function of this? Um, if we will be using it as a free extension, you can check this push to talk, which means that if you are going to push or somehow have the space bar, you are going to unmute yourself. No need to go to this particular setting to unmute yourself. Just push the space bar and it's automatic. If I'm going to test this, I'm pushing my space bar. Okay. It's, as you can see, the microphone turns on. And I'm going to push the space bar again. The microphone is going to switch off. Okay. Then I'm also checking the auto mute and auto video off. If you're going to check this before you're going to join the Google Meet, it is the one that automatically switches off the microphone and the webcam. So just explore whatever you want. Just check it. These are the free. And if you want to get the pro, you are going to pay for a license. But actually, the free one is okay na. That's the second one. Now, the third one is nod reaction. Here. Okay, nod reactions for Google Meet. Let me just close that. Can you see it here? Yan, that's the nod reaction. So we have the thumbs up, down, clap, wave, so on and so forth. Now you can ask your student to install this. For example, I will be pushing this. That is raising the hand. So you can only see these nod reactions if the students, they can see, if the students are going to install it, they can see the reactions. But if the students do not have this Chrome extension, they cannot see the reactions generated by this. So you may ask your students to install this nod reaction. Now the fourth one is what we call as a magnifying glass or hover zoom. For example, you are having a lesson here, you can actually use this magnifying glass. So just click this, then it's automatically is going to magnify um, whatever you are emphasizing. You can toggle this, just click, so mawawala na yan. And the last one is what is Google Meet call timer. Can you see it here? Okay. So especially in synchronous, you're only given 30 minutes. So you can use this timer to somehow remind yourself how many minutes are left. You are going to input it here. For example, you are only having 30 minutes discussion. Yan. And an added tip. For example, you really have lots of background noise. You can install this Chrome extension. It's called as Crisp. But you need to log in a particular account here. If you're going to toggle this on, it somehow removes the noise, the background noise. Okay? So these are all very helpful Chrome extensions in Google Meet. Happy learning!